Edward Snowden just warned ADA holders to sell their Cardano before the 30th of April. What is the reason for this? Watch this video until the end to learn more about it. Considering Edward Snowden's history, it's no wonder that he supports blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. And we all know that among the cryptocurrency assets that the technology expert praises are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. In today's episode, we'll discuss Edward's perspective on Cardano and the reason he issued a warning to Cardano holders via Twitter. Among the most pressing questions we need to address is why people will no longer purchase Cardano after this. So keep watching until the end to learn everything there is to know about it. Meanwhile, let's take a moment to examine Edward Snowden's background before looking at this tweet. In 2013, Edward Snowden, a former CIA agent and computer scientist, leaked classified information from the NSA. In response to the leak of documents from other telecommunications companies to publications such as The New York Times, The Guardian, and others, international repercussions ensued. Then, Snowden received temporary asylum in Moscow, the capital of Russia. Following the NSA investigation, Edward, who is a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency enthusiast, believes that cryptos are not as secure or private as they are portrayed in the media. Edward Snowden is known worldwide among hardcore anarchists, anarcho-capitalists, and extreme libertarians alike. They're overwhelmingly devoted to blockchain technology and decentralized digital assets. Snowden was one of crypto's most devoted fans, and he tweeted his opinion on the current state of things. Also, Snowden firmly believed that cryptocurrencies were on the rise. Nevertheless, he says that Cardano's creators should use Bitcoin as a global benchmark to debate. After that, they should be determined to develop. In line with what many analysts say, he said that Cardano is one of his favorite cryptocurrencies. This could be the explanation for the difference between Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, which are based on proof-of-work algorithms. A major advantage of the Cardano platform is its proof-of-stake protocol, which is built to enable you to mine transactions. If you own more coins, your mining power will increase. Also, Cardano is expected to reach a value of $10 in 2022, according to experts. Therefore, everyone will be unable to purchase Cardano after the continuous increase, according to Edward. Even though Snowden is extremely wealthy, he insisted that cryptocurrencies aren't as safe and as secure as they appear to be. According to leaked NSA documents, the agency has been monitoring digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Cardano to identify their holders. Moreover, he points out that the government has been monitoring Bitcoin users' online activities since 2013. Several reports suggest that this monitoring is conducted via a technology known as Oakstar. Despite this, there has been a shocking announcement suggesting that the NSA is closer to tracking down those who start cryptocurrency transactions. As a result of the rapidly expanding blockchain network and its evolving system, a subprogram Monkey Rocket facilitates the process of locating the user. This subprogram may also be used with the Oakstar code. As we approach the final week of March, Cardano is the seventh most valuable cryptocurrency in the world with a market value of $35.7 billion, making it one of the most popular cryptocurrencies globally. Further, Edward Snowden, an NSA contractor and activist, expressed his concern over the CBDC's standing as an official tender on Twitter. As Edward described it, the CBDC is a crypto-fascist currency designed to give the government control over every transaction. Also, he is known in the digital currency world by the name of central bank digital currency. In Snowden's view, what is controlled by them in terms of their currency are perversions of the cryptocurrency or at least a subversion of its main principles. Moreover, Snowden claims that they are meant to essentially deny you ownership rights over your money by giving the state control over every transaction. He believes that the CBDC will make the state the center of every transaction, which is at odds with the laws and principles of virtual currencies. A cryptocurrency is decentralized. A third party or institution, like a bank, shouldn't be permitted to trade or invest in cryptocurrencies. Despite the rapid rise in the value of cryptocurrencies due to participation of the CBDC, some people are still uncertain about investing in them. Additionally, some governments have stopped granting legitimacy to the central bank's digital currencies. In addition to the CBDC, governments are also collaborating on a national guarantee for the CBDC. Meanwhile, former NSA contractor Edward Snowden has both supported and opposed cryptography. According to most crypto experts, using Cardano after NSA leaks is the best way to invest. In recent months, large investors known as whales have been bargain hunting for Cardano's coin as the industry rapidly expands decentralized finance protocols. According to statistics from blockchain analytics company Into the Block, accounts with 1 million to 10 million ADA in balances increased by 41%. DeFi Llama reports a $50 million gain in the total value lockup in Cardano's network over the last week, driving it to a new high. Further, the Sunday Swap is a decentralized exchange in which more than 70% of the money is held. It has been a long time since Cardano introduced smart contracts, but it appears to be showing promise for a long time to come. Apparently, this has translated into a significant buildup of ADA among major stakeholders. Lucas Automoro, research director of Into the Block, stated in a report that whale stocks increased by more than 40% last year. Over the past few years, these addresses have increased by 70%. And this group has also seen a double-digit increase month to month, along with individuals with over 100 million advertisement impressions. The latest research from Edward Snowden indicates that you won't be able to buy Cardano this year because so many people are buying it every day and nobody is selling it. Then there won't be any open access to purchasing Cardano as of April 30th. As a low entry-level asset with high investment returns, digital currencies like ADA attract investors who are seeking greater diversification. Due to its low price and fast transmission, investors can transfer fees and transactions swiftly with the ADA currency. Cardano's network will expand as well as its entry price will increase its presence in the upcoming years in prominent nations and businesses. As such, investors will increasingly be willing to collaborate and engage with Cardano. Additionally, the fact that Cardano is the most secure cryptocurrency around would surprise a lot of people. Because of this, the value of Cardano has not dropped significantly since 2017. Further, keeping the excitement high and expanding the contact base are the main reasons for its success, and the security of other cryptocurrencies is compromised almost immediately after the launch of such cryptocurrencies. In addition to showing Edward's confidence and enthusiasm, the Cardano cryptograph gives us a sense of the project. The reason for this is that ADA provides high security levels and high transaction speeds. If this trend continues, the value of the currency will skyrocket. Also because, according to Snowden, Cardano is the most commonly used cryptocurrency for global payments and transactions, rather than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Adding to this, you need to remember that you can use ADA as a currency to store value and to transfer money and goods utilizing just scientific and mathematical concepts. Also, among the first decentralized currencies was ADA, created by engineers and cryptography professionals. As a result, it has now become the most valuable token on the Cardano blockchain. Consequently, consumers can take advantage of the Cardano blockchain to develop new protocols and dApps. Accordingly, Cardano's expanding network and evolving cryptography can be seen as a clear indication that Edward is trying to convey with his tweet that it will be difficult to buy Cardano because of its enormous popularity and updated technology. Additionally, with several projects having been added to the network and the price of Cardano rising in tandem, Cardano has been on an upward trend in recent weeks. According to historical data, the price of ADA usually rises before a hard fork, which is a rapid change to the protocol of a network that allows previously invalid blocks and transactions to become valid once again, or vice versa. As Cardians announced on March 26th, ADA had increased by 500% before the first Shelley hard fork in July 2020 and by 1,100% before Mary in March 2021. Then the most recent Alonzo update showed DeFi increasing by 135% and reaching an all-time high of $2.96 before there was a Mary hard fork in March 2021. Due to this, many cryptocurrency traders have speculated on whether Cardano will experience another rally before its vassal hard fork in June 2022. What is your take on this? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.